Greetings, model community on the YouTubes, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping in and watching our videos. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, liking, sharing, subscribing, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go round, as Mr. Sean says. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing, resubscribing, stopping by, being new subscribers. Thank you to all the returning and the old subscribers. So we're going to roll that clip right now from scalefinishes.com, because Mr. Jameson was kind enough to give us a discount code, which is Eclectic 10, to get 10% discount on all your purchases. So let's roll that clip, and we'll see you in the main video. Thank you for stopping by. Greetings! Welcome to Bruce's World of Stuff, and update number 1 of Cardz Scale Dreams Off-Road Group Build. Starts June 1st, ends December 31st. Jeep Rubicon. This is the kit I got off of eBay. This is the one Chris Chapman built for his group build. So we're building this one kind of with Chris in mind, and so forth, so on. So where is the little guy at? Oops, here he is. Here's our guy we're working on, our little Jeepy. We don't like the wheels and rims comes with it, so we 3D printed some. They're the same size that comes with it, but the rims are little bitty tiny things. Let me get the camera back in the right place. I must have hit it a while ago. Little bitty tiny things. And the tires are the same size, same thickness. Different tread pattern. I like that tread pattern. And of course, the center is not glued in yet, but it's a nice looking tire. I got to figure out how to. I haven't had much luck painting the white walls yet, or white letters. So we 3D printed a whole bunch. I downloaded the file off of the 3D place, Cardz. I think it was $5. I don't know, something like that. $3 a month. I spent $12, $13 on 3 things. So yeah, it's 4 things. So it's $3, $4, $5, whatever. Doesn't matter. I'm also printing a different set from Z-Force. I finally figured out how to get these tires supports just right. Thanks to Jason and Don for the suggestions of spending all the time putting the supports on the tread on the outside, not down in the groove like the program does. That is so just wrong. And then I redid the wheels too. They just come right off of there, no problemo. So that's just kind of where we're at. I mean, you just break them off like that. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And just like that, you have a nice clean tire. There's a little bit of nubbins right there. And since that's on, I don't know if can you see it right there on the tread? Right there. And you just maybe turn it sideways, you can see it. Yeah. A little spot right there. Take your file the edges down just a little bit. You can feel them. And you just take your fingernail file and you run it over it. Just like that. And they look perfect. Now the insides are just a little tight, so I just take my Dremel. Well, it's not a Dremel, it's that guy. Stick it in there and run it around a little bit. And there's a layer line in there. Just a tad bit rough so these don't slide in. They slide in that far. And they're really pretty snug. You want them a little snug, but not snug. You want them where they push out just like that. You push them back in. Now this one may be a little tight yet, but when you paint these tires, and the rims, you don't want to try paint the outside or the inside of the tire. Otherwise, you gotta sand them a little bit more to get them to fit back in there. But we'll just get these all taken care of, sand it up. We'll come back with a little bit of a mock-up of some sort. Okay. Be right back. Greetings. Welcome back to the last update of part 1 of Cardz Scale Models Off-Road Group Build. We have everything in primer. Let me show you. We have the body in primer. Here's all the stuff that's in primer. Chassis, tires, whatnot. That's going to be painted pavement and or rubber black. There we go. Here's the color choices we're going to use for the body, by the way. Silver base, and then we're going to put the wicked green on the top. We are going to try and experiment though, because I'm going to try putting just a little bit of this wicked lime. Was it this one or this one? I think we're going to put a little bit of this one in this one just to see what it looks like. But anyway, this is going to be the main color because this is going to be a forestry truck. Let me find the decal. What did I do with the decal? Oh, decal, where are you? Of course, I put them back in the box. Where else would I do with them? So we're going to use the forestry decals on this because it's going to be an off-road, and it's going to fit right in with part of my diorama I'm building someday for fire trucks and a gas station and da-da-da-da-da. If that occurs before I meet my model maker, we'll see. Anyhow, this is all the wheel components, mirrors, kick panels and stuff that needs to be black. We're going to try something new. We're going to try the Tamiya LP1 lacquer paint, so we can use the AK. Oops, I'm sorry. So we can use the AK chrome on it. That's where we're at with that part. Yeah, we'll just leave that set right there. And of course, here's all the interior parts. And it's going to be different shades of something yet. I have not determined the color. It's going to be most likely pavement color or thereabouts. It's a dark charcoal gray. I know that these are going to be charcoal gray, so we'll see. I know we're always ready for this stuff. And then here's all the bumpers and the roll cage and stuff. And I have a puppy dog over here. So we'll be right back. Okay, so little puppy's outside. Yeah, they wait till the most opportune moment. That's okay. That's the life of living with puppy dogs. So this stuff is going to be different shades of, that needs to be on the gloss side, so it'll be painted chrome wipers. Various different shades of grays and greens and whatnot. Black. So there's our last update for the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This was originally, like I said several times, built by Chris Chapman in his 48 art group build many years ago. And I'm building it now for another group build. Not like it's not happened before, but anyway, we'll see you in the next update, which will be update 2. So that'll be showing you the stuff that got painted and blah 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 blah. Right. Yeah. Charlie Brown understood every word of that, didn't you? Catch you later, folks. Save the fingers. Be kind to your neighbors. You don't know when you're going to see them again. Thank you to all of our service people that gave their lives for this awesome country and for the ones that are serving right now. Take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next update.